Preparing to apply for a UK partner visa but need clarity on which category applies to your situation. Before you begin the process of joining your partner in the UK, it's essential to understand which visa route best suits your circumstances. Each visa category has distinct requirements, timelines, and important factors to consider for your future together. Whether you're planning to marry in the UK, are already married, in a civil partnership, or have been in a long-term relationship, choosing the correct visa is the foundation of a successful application. In this video, we'll guide you through each of the UK partner visa options, breaking down the eligibility criteria and important factors you need to consider before applying. By the end, you'll have the clarity you need to make the right decision and take the next step in your journey with confidence. Fiancé and proposed civil partner visas. If you're planning to get married or form a civil partnership in the UK with your British or settled partner, the fiancé visa or proposed civil partner visa is the appropriate route. This visa grants you entry clearance to the UK for 6 months. During this period of leave, you are expected to get married or form a civil partnership, after which you can apply for leave to remain as the spouse or civil partner of a British or settled person or FLRM. It's important to note that fiancé and proposed civil partner visas can only be applied for from outside the UK. You cannot switch to this visa while already in the UK on another type of visa. The current application fee for a fiancé or proposed civil partner visa is £1,938, which aligns with the standard cost of UK family route to settlement visa category. Marriage visitor visa. On the face of it, the marriage visitor visa may seem quite similar to the fiancé visa, but the key distinction lies in what happens after the marriage takes place. Unlike the fiancé visa, the marriage visitor visa does not allow you to remain in the UK or switch to further leave to remain as a spouse after getting married. If you enter the UK on a marriage visitor visa and then marry your British or settled partner, you'll be required to return to your country of residence to apply for a spouse visa from abroad. This crucial difference makes it important to carefully consider your long-term plans before choosing which visa route to pursue. Another significant difference is the cost. The marriage visitor visa is currently £127, whereas the fiancé visa costs £1,938, reflecting the different rights and pathways each visa provides. Stop guessing. Stop scrolling. Start your visa journey with confidence. If you're applying for a UK partner visa, whether as a spouse, civil partner, or unmarried partner, you deserve clear, reliable guidance. No more second-guessing documents. No more stressing over outdated advice. Join our 5-day live workshop where we break it all down: the requirements, the process, the fees, and how to avoid the mistakes that lead to delays or refusals. This is not just another info session, it's your fast track to a smoother, stronger application. Spots are limited, so hit the link in the description and register now. A strong application starts with the right knowledge, and we're here to make sure you have it. See you in the workshop. Spouse and civil partner visa. The spouse visa is one of the most commonly used UK partner visa routes. If you are married to a British or settled partner, and your marriage or civil partnership is legally recognised in the UK and meets the eligibility criteria, you may apply for leave to enter or remain under this category. Successful applicants are granted an initial 2 years and 9 months if applying from outside the UK, or 2 years and 6 months of leave if applying inside the UK. The applicant can then extend for a further 2.5 years via an FLRM application. After completing 5 years on the spouse or civil partner route, you may be eligible to apply for indefinite leave to remain or ILR, and in many cases, British citizenship thereafter. The spouse visa is intended for those applying from outside the UK, with a current application fee of £1,938. If you're already in the UK under a different visa category and wish to switch to the partner route after getting married, you can apply to switch by submitting an FLRM application. Unmarried partner visa. The unmarried partner visa is intended for individuals who are in a genuine and committed long-term relationship with a British or settled partner but are not officially married. To qualify, you must be able to demonstrate that your relationship has been akin to marriage for at least 2 years. This typically involves providing evidence of cohabitation and an ongoing commitment during that period. Applications can be submitted either from outside or within the UK, provided all eligibility requirements are met. Again, the application fee is £1,938 for those applying from outside the UK, i.e. leave to enter, and £1,321 for those applying from within the UK, i.e. leave to remain via FLRM. You or your partner's previous relationship. It is also important to note that any previous relationships, either yours or your partner's, must have officially broken down. For instance, if either of you was previously married, you will need to provide evidence of a legal divorce or dissolution. FLRM, switching to the partner route or extending a UK partner visa. If you are already in the UK on a valid partner visa, including those who entered on a fiancé or proposed civil partner visa, you will need to apply for further leave to remain or FLRM to extend your stay for an additional 2.5 years under the partner route. Alternatively, if you are currently in the UK on a different visa category and have married or formed a committed long-term relationship with a British or settled partner, you may be eligible to switch to the partner route by applying for FLRM. The current cost for FLRM is £1,321 and is only available to applicants already in the UK on a valid visa. However, this does not include those who are only on a visitor or tourist visa. The UK partner visa requirements. While each UK partner visa category has its own specific requirements, all applications must satisfy the same essential requirements. Both partners must be over the age of 18 and not directly related to each other, and you must have met each other in person. Your relationship must be genuine, subsisting, and both parties must intend to live together permanently in the UK. Again, if applicable, you'll also need to provide evidence that any previous marriages or civil partnerships have permanently broken down. Finally, you must demonstrate that there is adequate accommodation for you and any dependents, without relying on public funds. These requirements apply whether you're applying as a fiancé, spouse, civil partner, or an unmarried partner. Don't let simple mistakes cost you time and money. Avoid delays with the right guidance. We've got you covered with our free guide and email series, specifically created to guide you through the process. This guide provides a clear roadmap from start to finish, covering everything from understanding the requirements to organizing your supporting documents. Click the link in the description to download your free guide and sign up for the email series, where you'll also receive important updates and insights to keep you on track throughout the application process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more valuable insights as you navigate your UK visa journey.